Hello everybody, how are you doing? Well, the rain just came and went and it's cooled down for the evening. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. How are you doing today? Well, the weekend is halfway through and I want to ask you something. Are you the type of person that doesn't fear speaking the truth when it comes to addressing a situation with a loved one, family member, or friend, fearing that you may hurt their feelings? Well, if you are, then you are actually doing a disservice to that individual and a disservice to yourself as being an individual of integrity. What do I mean by that? So many times when we have family and friends that love us, they are sometimes fearful, ashamed, or nervous to let you know of your shortcomings, your innuendos, your, failures or areas of improvement. And I learned that a long time ago from the people I used to hang around with, because they would say, oh no, you look fine, you sound fine, you dress fine, you know, you're doing well, you're doing the right thing. And really what they were doing is that they were doing a disservice to me. They were harming me by telling me what they believed that I wanted to hear. That when I explored outside of my familiar individuals or community, that I would be made fun of, I would be jeered at, or I would be judged, if you will. Being an individual integrity takes a lot of courage, a lot of strength, but also a lot of skill when you are applying it to a close individual, loved one, or family member. They may feel that you are attacking them. They may feel that you are trying to one-up them or make them feel uncomfortable or not worthy of who they are. There's a time and place and also a way and presentation to address it to someone. Be careful of the verbiage that you use. Be careful of the tone. Be careful of the environment which you share this with. For example, you're not going to insult someone with negative, judgmental, and childlike comments by insulting them publicly. One of my most key attributes that I learned from my mentor, Dr. Les Brown, was that of this: praise in public, but critique in private. And that really resounded in my ear, because all my life people would be telling me what I felt I wanted to hear, or what they felt that they felt comfortable in sharing with me, rather than the truth. Regardless, everything in life, it's that the truth matters most, whatever the case may be. But the most important information and segment of that is their presentation of the truth. Tonality, afflictions, environment, and even your emotions behind it. So practice this and make sure that you are familiar with how you want to receive constructional criticism. You know, bringing attention to the areas that you should improve upon, whether it's in a social or intimate environment. This will allow strength, courage, trust, and the utmost respect for one another, not only for you and the individual and the entity, but for yourself, to ingrain and sustain a person of integrity. And on that note, my name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach. Never, ever refrain from telling the truth, but be mindful of the individual who you're telling the truth to, how the message is received, how you would want to receive the message, and the emotions behind it and intention. And never, ever, ever should it be given in a malicious intent. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out andreamasons.com for further upcoming events, projects, announcements, and opportunities that are available to you. And remember, go to my website and join and subscribe to redeem your complimentary gift. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Remember, every single day we have a choice, a privilege and right to press play. Plan life according to you. And for those of you who have commented and appreciated my love for nature, it has just rained, as I had mentioned earlier in the video. The sun is slowly setting. The white fluffy clouds are separating, and the cool air has approached for the summer's evening. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. For Be the Light in Someone's Darkness.